These are the C elevators at Washington Hospital in UPMC, Washington, in Washington, Pennsylvania. Not sure what brand these ones were, but they were modernized in probably the mid-90s by Millar with atoms. At some point more recently, they got new cabs and the COPs were replaced with EPCO Endurance. Projecting kind. To 6, here we go up. I think Jared might have a video of these though. It had like an Atom COP and it had a Millar logo on the COP. I might be wrong about that though. Maybe that's a different set. For 6, they're actually still on generators if you hear. The down chime doesn't work. Back down to 1.
Do you know where you're going?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Sorry, this place is a little confusing.
These are nice and basic redundant snap cabs. Big Brother right there. Probably done when the cabs are redone. Again, I don't know what these were originally, but other elevators here were Otis and Houghton, so probably one of those two brands. That one. There it comes, and that's gonna be it. That elevator's broken.